Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Sonic the Hedgehog skull. It's going to be simple, easy, and for beginners. It's just going to be the skull, and that's it. So let's get started. I'm going to go over here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a curve over here for the eye socket, the far side of the eye socket, top of the eye socket, down, out just a bit, down over here, and curve. What that is going to make room for the nasal cavity. Alright, now I'm going to go to the nasal bone, down over here, out, down, curve. Curve up, out, down over here, curve out, down. Out over here for the bone, the cheekbone, in, down over here to the teeth area, out over here, up. I'm going to go to the far end here and go to the cheekbone, and I'm going to pull a line up here for the side of the skull, curve in, pulling up over here to the top, pulling up in here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull in for right there. That's going to be one spike. I'm going to go over here, pull out, in for another spike, out for the last spike. Alright. Don't forget, hit the subscribe if you like learning how to draw. I post one lesson every single day. Absolutely hit the subscribe button, and like I said, click the bell notification. It's going to show you what to do on your feed. Make this the video that you subscribe in, because a lot of people are watching a bunch of videos and haven't subscribed. I'm going to fill that in, fill this in. Same thing, fill this in, all the eye sockets. Pulling down, out for kind of the side of the skull here, shape, curve over here, line over here, and I'm going to find a line, like a dark area here, just to kind of make the top part look better. Pulling in, pulling in, pulling in. So now we're going to throw, right here, we're going to find the teeth, like so. See the top of the teeth? Where it kind of connects in there. And the other thing I'm going to do is I want to find like a crack here in the skull. I'm going to come down here, think of it like a lightning bolt maybe. Just to kind of give it some spookiness to it. That's funny because it makes no sense because the spikes would be like hair, right? So it's pretty funny how that is, but we're just doing it for the style of the skull, really, of this this whole thing. You can always add little thin shapes in here to show that the teeth are embedded into the skull to make it look more like it is. Curve the top right here for the top of the brow. Curve line in, curve line in, line in here. But yeah, like I said, everything I'm doing now is just extra. I'm just gonna throwing extra lines to make it look a little bit more complicated than it is. It doesn't mean it is, but it just makes it look kind of prettier, and it can definitely make it look a lot better in many cases. That's it. I want to thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, like I said, hit the like button if you did like this. The like buttons are the fuel of the channel. They help the channel live, pretty much. So if you want the channel to continue on through the year, hit that like, and hit the like on any other video you enjoy on the channel. Likes are kind of the lifeblood of the channel. So thank you so much. I will see you next time, and I will talk to you very, very soon. And that's it. Okay? Talk to you soon. Don't forget to hit me up in the comments and give me some suggestions for what you want to see on the channel. All right? Later. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy. And the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up. And you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent. And you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it.